Umengameli weANC uCyril Ramaphosa uncome izithunywa ezethamelele engqungquthela ngendlela ezeziphathe ngayo.
I congratulate you, comrades, in the way that you have conducted this conference, the way as delegates you have been so disciplined. It was real revolutionary discipline.
Ubabongele labo abaphumelele kulenkulumo wathi nalabo abehluliwe akusho ukuphela kodwa ke baseyingxenye yeqembu.
I thank them in the manner in which they also carried themselves. That they have not succeeded does not mean that they have lost. That they were not finally elected does not mean that they are not leaders of the African National Congress.
Ube esedlulisa umlayezo awubhekise kulabo abaqokelwe ezikhundleni ezintsha kulenkulumo.
Your mandate is to unite this organization here in the Eastern Cape now that the branches have spoken. It is up to you to assume this mantle of leadership as well as comradeship and cadreship and take forward our program of action as spelled out in our January 8th statement.
Umengameli uthi manje osekumele kwenziwe ngukwenza ngcono impilo yabantu kuphindeke kwakhiwe namathuba emisebenzi. Umengameli weANC uqinisekise abantu bakulesi yasifundazwe ukuthi umabuyane yindoda abangayethemba.